In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to train with custom puzzles and play specific positions on chess.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to target the tactics you want, at the difficulty you prefer, and even recreate positions from your own games to practice them as many times as you like, all without affecting your rating. Start by heading to the Puzzles section, then choose Custom Puzzles. This is where you control what you practice. Use the filters to pick themes like forks, pins, and other motifs you want to sharpen. If you've recently missed certain tactics, you can filter for missed puzzles to revisit those exact ideas and turn weaknesses into strengths. This approach makes your training deliberate, so you're not just solving random problems, you're building specific skills. Next, set a rating range to match your current level and stretch your ability. If puzzles feel too easy, bump the range up a bit. If they're overwhelming, bring it down until you're solving consistently with just enough challenge to learn. You can also adjust the difficulty to fine-tune how demanding the puzzles are. Remember, this training doesn't affect your rating, so take your time, think through the lines, and focus on understanding why the correct move works rather than rushing to the answer. If you want to train from a particular game position, maybe a critical moment from your last match, open the analysis board. Set up the pieces to mirror the position you want to study. Take a moment to double check that everything matches. The right side to move, the correct placement of all pieces, and the overall situation on the board. Getting the setup right ensures your practice reflects the real scenario you're trying to master. When the position is ready, use the Finish versus Computer feature. This lets you play out that exact position as a custom game against the computer. It's a powerful way to test plans, practice conversions when you're winning, and strengthen your defense when you're worse. You'll be playing from the position you chose, under realistic conditions, and still with no impact on your rating. Put these two tools together, targeted custom puzzles and position-based practice from the analysis board, and you'll build a focused, repeatable training routine. Start with the themes you most need, adjust the rating and difficulty as you improve, and regularly revisit key positions with Finish versus Computer to lock in your understanding. Consistent, purposeful practice is what turns patterns into instincts. Now it's your turn to set it up and start training.